Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Reversing digits in Java seems easy, but this code has a hidden bug. Let's find the error and fix it fast. Look closely at line 13 where the value is updated. The code uses a plus equals operator, which actually adds the new shifted result to the old value instead of replacing it. Using plus equals means you are doubling the previous total every single time the loop runs. This logic completely breaks the math needed to shift your digits into the correct decimal places. To build the reverse number correctly, use a simple assignment. Changing the operator to an equal sign fixes the logic. Option D is the winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given info and check steps.